When replacing the battery lid, make sure to use correct battery lid version. Recorder version is listed on the back label. If the battery lid comes off and locks unextended, use the battery lid key to unlock the lid and extend it before securing it in place. When cleaning the recorder, the battery lid should be closed. Following the recommended handling guidelines will help protect the device and ensure its longevity.